So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So it was super crowded near the showroom, so I've come a little aside to record the intro. So you guys would have seen the part 1, and I've also updated the live video in the morning at around 10:30. So this is the part 2 video where I'll be showing you guys the complete bike itself. So stay tuned and watch till the end.
So guys, this is the Aprilia's RS 660. The price of RS 660 has been revealed in the Indian market, and it's priced at an alarming price of 13.39 lakh guys. Yes, it's 13.39 lakhs, which is the ex-showroom price, and the on-road price would be around 16 to 17 lakhs depending on the state and the tax you're paying. The RS 660 is one of the most expensive middleweight offering in the country, and the RS 660 is available in 3 attractive paint schemes. The one in the video is basically the Apex Black, the lava red, and you have another color called the acid gold. The lava red has a red and blue scheme, whereas the black apex has the red and black scheme, and whereas the acid gold is a unique color of gold with a combination of red and black. The RS660 is designed to look like a sleeker, sharper derivation of the RS V4 1100. It features an aerodynamically designed fairing, LED lights all around, and a fully digital instrument console. A Euro 5 compliant 659cc, a parallel twin engine powers the bike. It makes 100 PS at 10,500 RPM and 67 Nm torque at 8,500 RPM, mated to a 6-speed transmission featuring a bidirectional quickshifter. The same motor, which is based on the brand new platform, will be soon in the life of track spec RS Trofeo 660, Tuono 660 and the Touareg 660 Adventure in the terms of electronics. The RS600 features Aprilia's APRC system comprising 5 different riding modes, namely Commute Individual, Dynamic, Challenge and Time Attack, cornering ABS, traction, wheelie and cruise control. Of the 5 riding modes, Challenge and Time Attack are meant for track and can be customized to suit the rider. It isn't short on hardware either. The RS660 uses a twin-spar aluminium frame with a 41mm Kayaba fork and a monoshock, both with preload and rebound adjustability. Braking duties are handled by the twin 320mm discs up front and 220mm discs at the rear. We are expecting the RS660 to be launched at the price of 13.39 lakhs ex-showroom price as mentioned earlier, and at the price of 16 to 17 on-road depending on the state. So this RS660 will be competing against the Kawasaki Ninja ZX-CR 6R and the upcoming Triumph Daytona 765 and the 2021 Honda CBR 650 RR. The parallel twin motor is all new and inspired by the front pack of Aprilia's V4 power plant, a pair of 48mm throttle bodies with different intake lengths to feed the combustion chamber in the straight line downward shaft. So that's it guys about today's video, and make sure you hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon because September 2nd I will be going for the official launch of the RS660 and I will upload it to you guys. So make sure you hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to get notified.